Hold on tight! Today we're drawing a helicopter that can whisk us off to the land of imagination. In the blink of an eye, we're zooming past the pencil sketch and soaring right into outlining our awesome helicopter. First, we start with the cockpit, so beautiful and grand, a big front window. Let's draw it by hand. Next up is the rotor, ready to spin on top. It'll whirl through the air and make our hearts hop. Now for the landing skid, sturdy and strong, to keep our helicopter safe all day long. Lines for the body, let's make it so neat. With curves and with angles, it's looking so sweet. Don't forget the tail, back at the rear end. A little addition to fly straight and help us ascend. Time for the other skid, let's make it a pair. And a simple side window, let's add with flair. Finally, the blades that will spin and will sway. Our helicopter's ready to zoom on its way. Check out how amazing our helicopter turned out. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on new fun adventures. And for even more exciting free drawing journeys, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye!